Hello, today we are going to do this problem from Leetcode 30-day challenge. And so the problem says, given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one, and we want to find that single one. So in the array, every element appears twice except a single one. Okay, so how can we solve this? So for example, here, 2 appears twice, one appears only once, so we should return 1. Here it's 4. Well, a simple change that we can do that is very straightforward is to use counter, right? So just from collections here, we could import counter and just do counter for the nums, right? And just find the one that has occurrence only one time, right? So we could just say for the key, which is the element, and then the value in counter. And we could just check if v, so this is the count, so let's call it c, and this is the number, right? So if c is equal to 1, then we could just return none. Okay, so it doesn't say that you could have a single one, right? So here it says your algorithm should have linear time complexity, so could you implement it without extra memory? Our algorithm here is linear time, right? Counter also is linear time here, but we are using extra memory because of this counter thing here. So we should improve that later. But right now, let's just see if this works. What's the problem? I cannot. Oh yeah, I need to do items here. Okay. Okay, let's try with a couple of examples here. Can the list be empty? We don't have, say, just 3, the empty list. So I should return 0. Let's just do that so that we match the test cases. Okay, cool. Submit. Okay, so that's accepted, but it's not like it does have extra memory. So let's try here. I remember that I'm thinking maybe we could use XOR here. So if I look at the terminal here just with Python, if I do 1 XOR 1, I'll get 0. And so if I do 1 XOR 1 and then XOR 2, I'll get 2, right? So I could just XOR the entire array with itself, and essentially, because even if you do 2 here and 1 here, it's still 2, right? So I could just XOR everything, and what's left, that's what I should return, right? So the way to do that, I could just do in nums, right? And then just start the res with, let's say with nums 0. So I may be able to make this shorter later, but I could just do like this, res XOR number, and just return the result of res, right? Because that would be the number that occurred only once. Oh, okay, there is a problem. So I'm saying, oh yeah, I'm doing the number the first number 2 times, right? So we should do just, okay, so this looks correct. So if I do 0 XOR 1, that just gives you the number, right? So I could just start this with 0 here. That way I don't need to do this. And that way also I don't need this starting from 1 here. Let's run this. This one. Okay, so it looks like this passes. Let's submit. Okay, so that passes. Yeah, so using this XOR seems nice. I wonder also if we can turn this into some kind of list comprehension using Python and just make it, you know, online, right? So maybe let's see here if someone did that. So Leetcode has this handy thing here where you could see other people's solution. Yeah, this one is similar to my solution. Same thing here. Same here. Okay, this one using a set, so using extra memory. Let's see here. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, I think this is good enough for now. Yeah, see you on the next one.